Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. Ebon is looking like it's going into a recovery, and it's a huge jump up. It's 31% up, meaning it's supposed to go up. Look at the 5 minutes. It's building and building and building. That's good, right? And I'm going to take it short, of course, and I will do that just under the round number. And it's not a long stop for me. And I'm kind of waiting to see what will happen with it. And I'm putting partial one as well, so yeah, and I'm in. Okay, so it's 25 cents stop, and I'm looking for 50 cents take partial one. Let's see what what will happen with the stock. Kind of froze, which is really good. Okay, nice. A bit more. Okay, I put my stop on my entrance. Come on, just a bit. Just a bit. Come on. It was so close. So close. And I'm out. Nice. Nice. Throwback. I did finish with $9 profit, but it's kind of hit and miss. And then you can see I took for a short, and then it jumped and crashed later today. Okay, and I was looking for a few more trades to see what I can do here. And one of those trades was ACIC, and that's looked like an amazing reversal, like a book kinda my trade kinda way of trading it. And as you know, I'm going everything upside down lately, so because it's looked like a beautiful reversal, I'm looking to take it kinda the other side, fail reversal and go into the long. Now in this case, it is going with the 13% jump or gap, depending on how you look at it. And I'm looking to see what I can do here. Come on. Make a decision. I usually hate when a stock is kind of froze. I don't mind if it's going to crash and I'm going to leave it, or it's going to jump and I'm going to enter. But kind of waiting to see if it's going to decide later, if it's going somewhere, it's kind of depressing for me. So right now, it's holding. It's not doing anything. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's just holding. And I can leave the stock, see if it's going up. But because it's so close to my entrance, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait. Usually if there is some space there, I will leave the command in. I'm going to look for some other trades, and but in this case I'm waiting to see what I can do here. It's not a short, it's not a long stop, it was almost the entrance. I'm looking to see how I can cut my losses here and move to the entrance. I can't yet. Kinda hate the concept of losing a full risk level. I know that will happen at least once, but I personally will do whatever I can to kind of cut it off. Okay, 20. Love to see it over the 30, 16, 30, 35, 40. That will be a sure sign for me that it needs to be in the entrance. Right now I cannot find how can I cut my loss here. I think I'm going to move it to kind of beyond the round number, because right now it still looks like a reversal, a good reversal, which shouldn't been happening. still fighting there. I don't like it. It's not really moving, and I mean, that's the worst can happen. It's even worse than doesn't decide if it's going to enter me or not. Being in a trade that doesn't move and haven't decided if it's going up or down, it's really bad. Come on. Okay. Getting volume. Just a bit. 21. 20. Didn't move. It's still kind of pacing itself, which is really bugging. Okay, so I'm kind of carried it at the half. If it's cracking the 16, I'm leaving. I would love to see it over the 30-ish, so I can move my stop to the entrance. Okay, I'm moving my stop below this candle. 25. Look at what's going on in level 2. 25. There is a resistance there, and it's eating as hell, but didn't broke yet. 24. Now the 24 is kind of resistance. 25 again. 25 again. Come on. 31. Nice. Now my stop is in my entrance. That's it. Okay. Now I personally don't care what the stock is going to do. Giving partial 1, I'll be excited. Would appreciate it. I got partial 1. Nice. But if I don't get partial 1, I don't get partial 1. Now, unfortunately today I need to cut the trading time for me. So I don't have a lot of time. In like 2 minutes I need to leave. So my stop is in my entrance. I already took partial 1. It's going to be a green day, which is good. Hopefully when I come back to the computer I will find out that partial 2, partial 3 was taken. I don't know. You can always hope. But it might broke in a minute, so I'm waiting. Yeah, I think that's okay. I need to leave. So what I did is I left the computer, and when I come back, what I saw was that where is it? I was left, and that's a crash. You saw that? Okay, so I finished with a little bit profit. It was crashed after I left, and it's good that there is a stop always. So I finished that with $19 profit. Altogether it's good. Not the best one, but it's good trade, and you can see the crash from that point. It's continued down as hell. And that's about all, guys. So thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.